Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And of course we will be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you guys are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I'll upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the markets one after the other, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on your performance on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities or the analysis I'm dishing out in this video. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done it before, so you too can also do the same thing. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, let's start with boom 1000. So just the way we are seeing this right from here, this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading tools to do my analysis right from here. Okay, just the way we have seen it, this was an uptrend before and it got to this resistance zone, played around there for a while, it went on downtrend, got to this region, this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it went back on uptrend and it came down there again, to this particular support zone. It's pulled back, and of course it's trying it out again. Once it breaks out from here, then the next stage is going to be here. Okay guys, it's going to be somewhere here. Okay, here first before I'll get into this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. I love taking my profit out just before the support zone. Okay, so that is very, very important, so you should take note of that. So this should be selling more than buying. Okay, it should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone, it went back on uptrend, and of course we can see it buying up till it got to this resistance. It was unable to break out above it, so it pulled back, and of course selling at the moment may want to sell down till it gets to this region, or if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will sell till it gets to this region before it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, but of course we should be experiencing more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong uptrend, played around there for a while because it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, but broke out above it around there and went back, continue with the uptrend, and it has gotten to this resistance zone, so it will be trying it out again. It is buying at the moment, but might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction into a sell trend, most especially if it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This is also buying for a very, it has been buying for a very long time and still on a buying trend, and of course approaching the next resistance. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely end up selling right from there. Okay, so but for now it is still buying. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. All these analysis are based on 5-minute time frame. You can see right from this support 5-minute time frame, right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course there are pullbacks in between, and it got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it. So right from there it will be selling. Okay, it will follow for sell till it gets to this region. Okay, if it's able to break out below this, then definitely we should be looking at it selling till it gets to this region. If it breaks out below this, then definitely this is the next stage we should be looking out for. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.